First, we need to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 1 and 1/4 we need to turn simply into quarters. So the 1, if you imagine a whole one, is 4/4, and obviously a quarter is 1/4. So a whole one is 4/4 and a quarter is 1/4. So altogether this fraction can be written as 5/4. Then, just from the top, I need to take away 1/3. Now what method you use for this is completely up to you. You could use the common denominators, or you could use the box and sausage. I'll show both here. So first of all, the box and sausage method. Window, cross, 5/4, 1/3. Fill in the boxes as normal. 5 3s are 15. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Sausage round these two numbers. Now, because this question is a subtraction, I need to do a subtraction of those numbers. So 15 take away 4 is 11. And my denominator on the bottom will be 12. It's always just that number there. So the answer using this method is 11/12. Let's use the common denominator method now. So 5/4 minus 1/3. So the common denominator, or the number that 4 and 3 go into, is 12. So I'll turn these fractions into 12ths. Okay, so the one on the left used to be over 4 and it's now over 12. So I've made that one 3 times bigger on the bottom. So I need to make the top 3 times bigger as well. 5 times 3 is 15. Now the one on the right, my denominator used to be 3 and it's now going to be 12. So I've had to make that one 4 times bigger. So the top I also make 4 times bigger. 1 times 4 is 4. And then looking at that fraction, 15/12 minus 4/12 equals 11/12. And I think the final thing just to add on this is when we started the question we had to turn this fraction over here into a improper fraction. The shortcut for that is just to multiply these two numbers together and then add this one on. So 1 times 4 is 4, add the 1 makes 5. So I know my numerator is going to be 5 and that would just be over 4 because the old one was over 4. That's just another shortcut to getting this mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, now try these. Pause the video, of course, if you want to have a go before the answer comes up. Okay, so 2 and 1/3. So using the shortcut method, 2 times 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. So 7/3 minus 2/5. I'm going to use the box and sausage method here. Seven-thirds and 2/5. So 7 times 5 is 35. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. Sausage. Now on this particular question it's a subtraction again, so 35 subtract 6 makes 29. That's my numerator and my denominator is just 15. What you could also do with this particular question, because that answer is an improper fraction itself greater than 1, you could turn it back into a mixed number. So 29, remembering that this symbol here, or this part of the fraction line, just means divide. 29 divided by 15 would be 1 remainder 14. So that is how I could turn it back into a mixed number. If I'd use common denominators, I'd get exactly the same answer.